one is on today and tomorrow, and it starts right away. And it's in the backyard, so we have to use the alley entrance.
Okay. You look a little different today. I just can't put my finger on it.
Yes, I got a new tattoo.
Neck tattoo. Holy smokes.
Yeah.
Did it hurt?
Yep. Might be the most hurty one I ever had.
Really?
I think so.
Oh, you've got a lot.
I know. Kind of all over, so. Well, I have that one sort of on my ribs.
Yeah.
Yeah. And it seems really dark right now, but because the shading doesn't really come out until it's fully healed, it all looks the same right now. But
Yeah.
there is lighter and less saturated areas.
You just got that yesterday.
I just got it yesterday,
it's like
yeah.
fresh.
Yeah.
So it'll tone down.
It will. It will.
It looks good.
I like it.
Good.
Thank you.
Okay. Should be down this alley.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, there's the sign.
Now, are you gonna have a place to park? We'll see when we get up there, I guess. Right there. So, I'll just sneak up there, I think. I think that'll work.
Even open?
Yeah, I think you go around that side.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Okay.
let's go see.
Check it out. Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How are you doing?
Good, you?
What a beautiful day.
Beautiful. We loved nice day.
It's not windy.
Yep.
Amazing.
Come on in, have a look around. We're just finished set up and we're good to go. Anything that's not tagged, we'll take offers on. We just haven't. Oh, those that, yeah, we literally just put those out. So
Okay.
yeah, whatever's offering. Those are all Schwarzkopf. This is hand-blown glass from Banff, the gallery in Banff. And these are Schwarzkopf.
Okay.
And so just whatever offering on those.
Okay.
Just haven't tagged them yet, haven't thought about it yet. We're just downsizing.
Yeah.
So there's
All right.
So yep, camera, perfect working order too. So have a look around. And this is leather. I have to tag this.
Oh, is it like a footstool? Or is it for a kid?
footstool, and I've kept it in perfect condition.
Yeah. Is it a
hippo?
Each got one, but
I think it's a
again,
bear.
downsizing.
Oh.
He's gorgeous, and
Yeah.
it's a Manitoba. They're handcrafted in Manitoba.
Wow.
And we got them. Each of us got them because we bought them at the Wintergreen for $200 each, and they're normally $300, and they're still over $300 now.
Wow.
Still, yeah, and
Yeah.
it's perfect condition.
Yeah, it's so cute.
Yeah. Hello, good morning.
Couple little frames down there.
Oh, yeah. Those are nice. Oh, $5 each.
I'm parting with them. Came back to work one day on my desk, they were there, 2 of those, and a note saying, I thought you'd like them.
Oh.
I'm Scottish, so they
Oh, yeah.
didn't know who gave them to me,
Oh boy.
but they're cute.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, they're kind of sweet. I don't know, they're old, I don't know, I've never had them looked at or anything like that, but yeah, they're kind of sweet.
Yeah, they're nice. I think I'll get them.
Okay.
Do you
I
want
don't
to
know, the seed pods are falling.
Yeah, that's nice, hey?
Yeah.
Part of living in Lakeview, man.
Yeah.
Seed pods, please. Oh, you have an exact.
I
Thank you,
do.
my dear, appreciate it.
Yeah. Ready?
Yep.
Thank you very much.
Thanks. Have a good
Have
day.
a good day. Oh, look at these. Oh, they painted them. It's a good idea. If you didn't want them like too Christmassy. Or is he plaster?
Yeah, it looks plaster.
Wow. I thought they were blow molds that were painted, but no, I think you're right there. Wow. Wonder where they
Or
found-
cement even.
Wonder where they found those.
Yeah. Pretty cool.
Yeah, they are cool. Yeah, because what else can you do in this area? Yeah. The smaller ones are harder to find.
Are they?
Yeah. It's more than I normally pay, but I just don't come across them very much.
Yeah, it was a little more. I was thinking you might ask him if he would like
Well, they just opened.
True.
So, okay. Oh, he did bring a jacket.
Yeah.
It's cooler.
Just in case.
Cool in the shade.
That's not too bad. Okay, let's keep going.
Yeah. Okay, this one was on yesterday, it's on today, and it's on tomorrow. And it's 2 households worth of stuff.
Okay.
And it was in the Leader Post. So,
Which is the paper.
right. Which not a lot of people use anymore. So it might be an older person. Because it costs money.
Yeah.
And all the other sites online really don't.
Right.
So, and like, it's like more expensive than you'd think. Like just a couple, I think
Yes.
3 lines is like, was.
30 or 40 bucks.
Yes.
I know, it's crazy expensive.
Used to be the only place you really could advertise. Like we would just go get a paper every weekend and look up the
Yeah.
garage sale in it. Now when we first started out, oh my goodness, hey, we've been doing this for a long time.
Yeah, it's been a while.
When we were both poor.
Yeah. So we did this out of necessity,
Yep.
not just for fun.
And like I didn't even have a car.
Yeah.
And yours was like,
A beater.
yes, on its last legs.
It's the whole time I owned it.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Aha.
Maybe we'll just park on the street then.
Sure. Just park up in the shade there. Oh yeah, it's just right there.
Yeah, just right in the corner of
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
alley. So
Yeah, it's a nice day, so we can walk. It's not even that far. That's good.
okay, check it out.
I think there's some fires in Alberta. That might be what we're smelling.
Yeah, I didn't smell it yesterday, but you can
Nope.
sure smell it today.
Yeah, it's very strong today.
Winter, and then construction / wildfire season. That's Canada.
Yeah. Hello.
How are you guys?
Good, how are you?
Good, beautiful day.
Yeah, enjoying the sun.
Thank God.
I know, right?
Yesterday. Great.
Ooh, this could be nice at the new desk in the library.
Yeah.
I got 2
Oh, and you have those are nice
I
too.
got 2 of those.
Okay.
Oh yeah, and those old chairs.
I know. Oh, and that's nice. But where would we put it?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, this is nice. We should probably get that one, eh? For the desk? 'Cause this matches better.
Okay.
What do you think? Do you like it?
I think
Probably
it's pretty nice.
Yeah. It's just uneven. Yeah, just seeing how if it's
all right.
wobbly or yeah.
I think it's
This thing doesn't get
actually, you put it on the
wobbly.
garage floor here.
Oh yeah.
The garage
it's
is
nice.
probably a little more solid.
Oh no, it's
See,
okay.
it's the springs are good underneath that too.
Oops.
I'll just take those off.
Sure.
There you go.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Oh, we're not. This spring
Yeah, it's
is
okay.
not.
You can put on the
There.
garage, it might be.
Oh yeah, it's sturdy. Do you like it?
Yeah.
I think it would look good with that desk.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
There are 2.
We'll take
I have 2.
2 of these.
Well, not quite like the other one. It has got a leather inset in here, and this is solid.
Oh,
Wood coming up
where
here.
is it?
It's downstairs.
Oh,
Unless you're really interested in it. I've got to
possibly.
do some hauling around.
So yeah, we'll take that and we'll just keep looking around. And then yeah, we might have to have a peek
Okay.
at that one.
Might take me a few seconds to try and haul everything off of it because it's very
Oh wow, that's okay. Well, should we go look at that other one?
Sure.
Okay.
You want to see that other?
Yeah, if you don't mind. What other treasures you got hiding in there?
Oh, God only knows. He won't bother you. He just wants
Hi. Oh, it's okay. We like dogs. Hi, sweetheart. Yes. Oh, hello.
That's all I wanted.
Yes. So quiet.
She is. She doesn't bother.
That's nice. Do you want us to take our shoes off? Oh yeah, lots of treasures down here, hey? Oh yeah, that one's nice too.
Which one do you like better?
Oh, take them both. Come on.
Well, she's probably gonna make us a good deal if we take both of them.
Actually, this one is a nice one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's been down here for a while. This one isn't as good a shape.
Oh yeah, it needs a little glue. Like on the arm there, yeah. Yeah.
See, I don't have too many lights down there. I'd forgotten that one is not in a square shape. I like it better,
It's really nice.
but it is not in as good a
Yeah,
shape.
it just has to go, yeah. They have to go inside the, it's okay. There. So what are you hoping to get for this one?
I figure I should be able to get 20 for it.
Yeah, would you 40 for both of them?
Sure.
Yeah?
I'll take them.
'Kay.
Take them both. You're gonna have to hold this up.
Yep.
There's
That's
no way
fine.
I can do it.
Oh no, we'll do that, that's fine. No problem. Here, you get the, you can't lift it by, well, maybe that handle is gonna wanna.
Yeah, I'll lift it by the...
Okay,
You go, do you want to go up first?
sure.
You'll be thankful these aren't as steep as some of the other houses.
Yeah.
Narrow stairs, just about doesn't fit.
The chair and my fingers don't fit through there.
Oh, did you get squished? Okay, so watch you don't hit her walls. There. Okay. Just a second.
Let me get you.
Oh, thank you. There, one more thing out of your basement.
Oh man, this is dirty. You can tell it's been down there for a long time.
It's just waiting for us.
Yes.
Hi, puppy.
Oh, thank you.
Hope they can get through.
Yep, I think so. Okay. Yeah, these are nice. All right.
Okay.
Cool. Of course, the trucks.
Yeah, it is.
We could probably each carry one. Do you
Yeah,
think?
I think so.
Just going up the stairs is so awkward.
Yeah.
I think. Okay. There you go.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Have a great day.
Thanks for cleaning out.
Yes. Thank you for showing us. You got that one?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll carry this one.
Are you walking or you got
No, we got a truck. It's just parked around the corner because these alleys are narrow. Yeah.
Okay.
Well, we always find something big and heavy when we park far away.
Well, yeah.
It's a good workout for us.
It is. I need it.
Me too.
It's heavy. These old wooden chairs.
Yeah. Yeah. You need a little, that one needs a little glue, but that's okay. And I'll probably recover it because I think that's just vinyl.
Yes, it looks like
It feels like it too. Okay, so
Do you want to get up in there? Do you want to get all up in there?
I don't think so. You want me to do that one? You got it? Yeah, like, look how well it's constructed. Here, let me just tip it. Like, all these metal bracing pieces.
Yeah.
And there's no metal in chairs these days.
Solid wood.
Yeah.
Like
Do you think it'll
these things
stay
have some.
standing up? Or should I lay this one down?
I was thinking we should lay that one down.
Okay. Yeah. And like bolts and things like the, you know, a little glue doesn't last forever. That's the problem with them. So you usually have to. But
All right.
those are going to be great. Match that little desk that we got from Warren.
Yeah.
Because it's quarter-sawn oak, and so these ones have a bit of it on them.
Right.
It's gonna look good.
High five.
Thank you.
All right, let's keep going.
Okay. Okay. Well, we're zipping down here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now.
Now. What time is it?